I've got something that's really cool we're going to talk about here in a few minutes. This is a trick for when you're on the road and you're a bachelor and you don't want to pay the money to go out to eat. Just stay tuned here because it's almost done. I'll tell you what, Richard is a genius. And he turned me on to this, and it's like I got a new life. I'm 64, and now I come in from the Trapline into my camper, and I can do the same thing that Richard does. However, I've added a new twist to it. I'm going to put a few chips on here, and I like healthy foods, and so I use the baked type of chips. You just lay them out like you're filling a burrito. Because the crust on here, it's not going to be hard like a normal pizza. You're going to roll this up. And now we're going to roll it up and eat it. Oh, by the way, you should not put your cardboard into the microwave while you're cooking, because it can start on fire, and it will. Bon appetit, my fellow trappers. This is, it's unbelievable.